In this example, we will look at adding polynomials together. The trick to adding polynomials is simply identifying and combining like terms. So in part A, we want to add the polynomial 2x squared minus 9x plus 8 to the polynomial 5x squared plus 11x minus 6. So to begin this process, we need to first identify the highest degree term, and we can see that the highest degree in both polynomials is a second degree. And then we will simply add those second degree terms together. 2x squared plus 5x squared is 7x squared. Now that we've combined the second degree terms, the x squared terms, we'll then drop to the next highest degree. The next highest degree after a second degree is a first degree. And in both of those polynomials, I see they each have an x term. Negative 9x plus 11x is a positive 2x. And finally, we will finish with the non-variable terms, the constant terms. Each polynomial has one, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So once we identify and combine our like terms, we end up with the expression 7x squared plus 2x plus 2. In part B of this example, we again want to add two polynomials together. If I want to add negative 7y to the third plus 5y squared plus 8 and 8y squared minus 3y minus 12, I'll start by first writing that down. To add these together, we now look through the entire expression, finding the highest degree term. In this particular case, y to the third is the highest degree term, so we'll start with that. Since there is no other third degree term to combine with it, it will simply get carried down into our answer as negative 7y to the third. We'll then progressively move down in degrees. That's our third degree term, so now we look for second degree terms, looking for y squareds. Each polynomial has one, and 5y squared plus 8y squared is a positive 13y squared. After the second degree terms, we now look for first degree terms. Our second polynomial has that minus 3y, but since there is no other single degree term or first degree term to combine with it, it'll simply get copied to our answer. And finally, we have our constant terms, our non-variable terms. 8 plus negative 12 is negative 4. Polynomial addition is simply about identifying your like terms and then combining them.